Good luck to all of you. Racing just is started. We have Hey Jude first to show quickness at a start. Moving apart the outside. Raggedy safety's gold in the middle. Conquistador then followed by Carefree Treasure. Ovitron is also there. Then next on the now is Mount Panama, while Bertong Balutan is the early trailer by about 8 lengths up. The leader and going along for the first turn with Hey Jude by a length and a half. Conquistador in second. Hobbitron is racing in third. Then followed by Mount Panama, Safety's Gold alongside fifth. Carefree Treasure Raggedy second last, while Bertong Balutan is still racing in last by about 9 lengths from last to first. Back to the leader, we have Hey Jude by the neck down on the inside. Now is Conquistador. Mount Paramount. Obitron is on the outside. Then next on letter is Raggedy. Safety's Gold on the outside. Now is Carefree Treasure and Bertong Balutan. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Obitron takes command by link down on the inside. Hey Jude moving apart the outside. Now is Mount Panama with about 100 meters of the race. Obitron and on the outside now is Mount Panama. Hey Jude is down on the inside. Hey Jude, Mount Panama, and finally it's Hey Jude, Mount Panama. Then comes Obitron, Bertong Balutan.
Ayos ba, mga kasama?
Hey, Jude.
Hala ko marami.